Greetings, traders. To locate and use the custom indicators in TopstepX, click on the indicators at the top of the chart. Search for TopstepX. Click on the indicator name that you wish to add to your chart, and click on the star to add it to your favorites, which will bring it to the top of the list. The HA Trend indicator recolors each candle body based on the Heikin Ashi calculation to smooth out the bar-to-bar noise and may help traders spot directional flow. To customize, mouse over the indicator name and click on the Settings icon. Under the Inputs section, the HA smoothing specifies the previous number of candles to include in the Heikin Ashi calculation. Under the Style section, you can choose to add an average line calculated on the candle close or change the bar color to your liking.